Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? I hope you are all well. Today we will have our lesson, Surat Tariq. We will start by reciting Holy Quran and Dua. Surat Tariq, verses 5 to 10. Our learning objective to recite the verses of Surat Tariq 5 to 10. Let's have revision about the verses of Surat Tariq. Let's listen to the verses of Surat Tariq 5 to 10.
فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق خلق من ماء دافق يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب إنه على رجعه لقادر يوم تبلى السرائر فما له من قوة ولا ناصر والسماء.
Today our rules of tajweed are nun sakin and tanween, idgham with ghunna and idgham without ghunna. Idgham with ghunna for letters yanmu, idgham without ghunna two letters ara and lam.
The word idgham literally means either to blend in or to merge. This only occurs when two words are present. The first word will end with a nun sakin, i.e. with no vowel, or tanween, an, in, or un, and if the second word starts with one of the letters of idgham. The letters of idgham are ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, and nun. Easy way to remember these letters is by memorizing the word yar, ma, loon. If after the nun sakin or tanween any of the letters of idgham appear, then the nun sakin or tanween sound will be dropped, and the letter preceding it will merge with the letter of idgham. Once we merge it, we hold the sound for 2 counts on all of the letters except for lam and ra. For example, we see a noon sakin with no vowel followed by a letter from the word of yarmalun. So we merge it and drop the noon without holding the sound because it's a lam. The verse reads وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ and not وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Also, we did not hold the lam as in وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ. Another example, we see a noon or tanween followed by a yarmalun letter. Don't forget from last lesson, we said that if we break this up, it is the same as this. Lam, Dhamma, Noon. So the Noon gets dropped because of the yarmalun letter after it, and now we merge it without holding the sound because it's a Lam. The verse now reads وَيْلٌ لِكُلِّ and not وَيْلٌ لِكُلِّ. Or in this verse, we see a Noon sakin followed by a yarmalun letter. We drop the Noon without holding the sound because it's a Ra. The verse now reads أَرْرَآهُ اسْتَغْنَى and not أَنْ رَآهُ. In this verse, let us find all of the tanweens and the Noon sakins. The first one is followed by a yarmalun letter. So we drop the Noon, then merge it, and make sure we hold the sound this time for 2 counts because it's not a lam or a ra.
What are the letters of idgham with ghunna? Let's apply here the rules of at the end of the lesson our plenary. Thank you my students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.